Hi, today we will learn to write two Tamil words. One is I, the next one is tooth. We call kan for I, pal for tooth. See, we have done vowels, which is called uyir எழுத்து in Tamil. And this one, 18 consonants, we call மெய் எழுத்து in Tamil. Last class I told you just to memorize the names. Now today I will explain the name meaning of the name. Okay. May with a dot over the letter. See, I indicated L. L means letter, and I put a red dot over the L inside a square. So any letter having a dot is called மெய் எழுத்து, and e till always called உயிர் எழுத்து. What is மெய் mean? It's a letter of body, and body needs life. So உயிர் means life. உயிர் எழுத்து is letter, I told you already. உயிர் எழுத்து means letter of life. These two merge together and we are making words out of them. So it's simple as that. மெய் plus உயிர் equal to உயிர் மெய் எழுத்து. Okay. What is உயிர் மெய் எழுத்து? No dot, and we will attach some matra symbol. See, we will gradually learn all the matras. Today we will learn a ki matra with vowel sound. Ka, in. In we have studied in last class, in. Ik, if you remove the dot, we will pronounce as ka. The ik and a gives you ka. If you say ka, what is the sound at the end? Can you process the sound? You can say ka, ka, ka. What is the end sound? It's a. That is how we form the letter with the sound. Ka, in, kan. How to write ka? I have shown you step by step. Follow the dotted pattern. Do always dotted pattern. It will be easy to form a letter slowly, and then you make ka. Also pa is easy. Still I gave you 3 steps. So can you start writing? Saying and then writing is advised so that you will get the pronunciation correct. Ka, ka, ka. In, ka, in, kan means I. Pa, pa, pa. L, pal, pal means tooth. You have learnt 2 body parts today. See you in the next class. Slowly we will learn this way, so you will have confidence to read a word. Also you will pronounce them properly. Like 2 words or 3 words, maximum 5 words I will teach you. Okay, keep practicing.